Are you having problems with Facebook not showing new posts? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step to make it work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be for us to come into our Facebook app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Facebook app right here. So what I'm going to do now is to locate where it says menu, and for me it is in the bottom right corner, so click on menu, and for some of you it's going to be in the top right corner instead, just so you know. And basically now you should be taken to this page right here. So now on this page we're just going to simply scroll down, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help and support, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on help and support, and as you can see we get a couple of options in here. So click on report a problem in here. Once again, click on report a problem, click on including report in here, and perfect. Now we're just going to scroll down until we can see where it says, just a second, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says other. So click on other in here, because then you should be taken to this page right here. And now you might wonder, why do you have to come to this page right here? And that is a great question. Well, the reason why you need to come to this page is because in here we're actually able to contact the customer support that works for Facebook, and they're the ones that can help us to fix this issue. So we're going to write like this: I'm not able to see any new posts on my news feed. I need this to be fixed. So basically we need to write exactly like this. Don't write anything more, you don't have to. Just write like this: I'm not able to see any new posts on my news feed. I need this to be fixed. And of course, also don't forget to click on send in the top right corner. So click on send. And what you're going to do after that is to wait 24 to 48 hours for the Facebook support to see this. And hopefully after you have seen this, this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.